Mount 2 eye bolts in the stuffing box flange and hook on 2 tackles. Lift the stuffing box a little up the piston rod and remove the distance pieces from the piston rod foot. Mount the work table round the piston rod at a suitable working height. Remove the tackles. Land the stuffing box on the work table. Remove the O-ring of the stuffing box. If the O-ring is intact and is to be used again, move it up the piston rod and secure it in this position with tape. Remove the bolts from the stuffing box assembly pull away the one half of the stuffing box and remove it. Using a feeler gauge, measure the vertical clearance of the rings. See the instruction book datasheet 102-2. Remove the remaining half of the stuffing box and press all sealing rings and scraper rings down against the work table. Measure the clearance between the ring segments to determine whether a replacement is necessary. See datasheet 102-2. Dismantle and stack the rings in the same order as when fitted in the stuffing box. Carefully clean all the ring segments and the stuffing box housing.